Very good morning, students. Yes, so we have already done till question number 6, I think, right? Yes. So now let's start from question number 7 of word problems. So now take out your maths book and fair copy. Yes, maths copy. So let's begin from question number 7. Yes. So first we mention date. So today's date is 03/09 and 2020. 3 September 2020. Now let's start question number 7. So question number 7 is, there are 365 days in a year. 365 days in a year and a school has 168 holidays. So how many days does a school open during the year? Simply, total days are 365 and holidays are 168. So 365 minus 168. Yes. So now we subtract 368 minus 168. So 365 is ones, tens, 100. So 365 and 168. Now 168. Now subtract 168 from 365, right? Yes. Now subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 8 from 5, right? But this is not possible. Why? Because 5 is less than 8. So from the tens, we borrow 1 10. So leaving behind 5, right? And now in ones position, 1 tens plus 5 ones becomes 15 ones. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. So write 7 under ones column. Clear? Yes. Now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 6 from 5, right? But it is possible? No. Why? Because 5 is less than 6. So from the 100 column, we borrow 100 and leaving behind 200. Then in tens position, 100 plus 5 tens becomes 15 tens. So 15 minus 6 is 9, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 15 minus 6 is 9. So write 9 under tens column. Now subtracting 100. So we want to subtract 1 from 2. It is easily possible, right? Because 2 is greater than 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer will be 197. It stands for 197. Right? Yes. So 198 days the school opened during the year. Right? Yes. And next question. Rahul bought a cricket bat for 376 rupees and he gave a 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So how many rupees did he get back? It means total rupees 500 and cricket bat is 376. So, and how many rupees did he get back? So 500 minus 376. Right? Now 500 to ones, tens, 100. Right? So we write 500 and cricket bat is 376. 376. So now we subtract 376 from 500. Now start subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 6 from 0, right? But it is not possible. Yes, because 6 is greater than 0. So from the tens, we borrow 110. But in tens position is 0. So from the 100 column, we borrow 100 leaving behind 4 and in tens position 100 plus 0 tens become tens, right? Yes. Now we subtract ones. So we want to subtract 6 from 0. So from the tens column we borrow 1 10 and leaving behind 9 10, and in ones position 1 10 plus 0 ones become tens ones, right? So 10 minus 6 is 4. So write 4 under ones column. Clear? And now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 7 from 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So write 2 under tens column. And now we subtract 3 from 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 124 rupees he get back. Right? Yes. Now next question is question number 9. Manyata bought 514 sweets on her birthday and she distributed 387 sweets among her friends. So how many sweets are left with her? Simply total sweets are 514 and she distributed 387 sweets, right? So now we subtract 387 from 514. So ones, tens, hundreds, so 514, and you know bigger number is called minuend and smaller number is called subtrahend, right? Yes. So now we subtract 514 and 387. So now subtracting 387 from 514. Now subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 7 from 4, right? But 4 is less than 7. So is it possible? No, right? Yes. So from the tens we borrow 1 10 and leaving behind 0. So in ones position 1 tens plus 4 ones becomes 14 ones, right? Yes. So now 14 minus 7 is 7. So write 7 under ones position. Now we subtract. Now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 8 from 0. But it is not possible. Simply why? Because 0 is less than 8. So from the 100 column we borrow 100 and leaving behind 4. So from 100 plus 0 tens becomes 10 tens. So 10 minus 8 is 2 simply, right? Now we write 2 under tens column. And now subtracting 100. So we want to subtract 3 from 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 1, 2, 7 sweets are left with her, right? Yes. Now next question is, how much is 324 greater than 189? Simply. So 324 minus 189. So 324 ones, tens, 100. So we write 324 and we subtract 189 from 324. Now subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 9 from 4. But 9 is greater than 4. So how can possible? Yes. So from the tens column we borrow 110. So leaving behind 1 and 110 and 110 plus 4 ones becomes 14 ones. So 14 minus 9 is 5, right? Yes. So write 5 under ones column. Now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 8 from 1. Is it possible? No. So from the 100 we borrow 100 and leaving behind 2, and now 100 plus 1 tens becomes 11 tens. So 11 minus 8 is 3 simply. So write 3 under tens column. And now subtracting 100. So we want to subtract 1 from 2. So is it possible? 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So write 1 under 100 position. So 135 is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much class, and do this work in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.